Applying tracking markers can take time before scanning even begins. What if you could capture detailed scans without placing a single marker? Hello everyone, and welcome to 3D Wonders. Today we're taking a look at marker-free laser scanning in standalone mode on the EinScan Rigil. This workflow allows you to capture detailed scan data without placing tracking markers, helping reduce preparation time in many scanning scenarios. Before starting, choose an object with rich surface features. Objects that are highly symmetrical or very smooth may not provide enough geometry for stable tracking in this mode. Next, switch the alignment setting to laser feature alignment. This allows the system to track the object directly using its surface geometry. You can also adjust the brightness based on the environment and the surface condition of the object to ensure the scan data is clearly captured. Once everything is ready, tap the center icon to begin scanning. In marker-free mode, the system tracks the object using its natural features, while the laser captures detailed surface geometry. Because the workflow runs directly on the Rigil device in standalone mode, scanning and data processing can be performed without connecting to a computer. When the scan is complete, tap the icon again to stop. Rotate the model to review the captured data. Then tap OK to confirm. If unwanted areas appear in the scan, open the Edit tool and remove the unnecessary data. Then tap Complete to confirm the cleaned result. Next, the system begins the point optimization process. The software performs global optimization and then generates the final mesh. The final result captures the intricate geometry and fine surface details of the object, all achieved using marker-free laser scanning. If you'd like to see how this workflow performs on real parts, request a demo or contact 3D Wonders today.
Please visit our website, 3dwonders.com. If you have any question or want to see a demo, send us a message and we'll get back to you.